So this is proof you can quit your job in 30 days or less. Roughly 26 days ago, I started a new project and I've generated nearly $40,000 in profit from that project. Check it out. So I started this on the 3rd of March, you can see, and this is the amount that I've generated. This is obviously the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, all the way up to now is the 29th, and we are at $39,803. Now, all I've done is I've gone through this implementation program known as ABS. This is not another course. This is an actual over-the-shoulder point and click program that you can complete in a weekend. And by the end of the weekend, you can start taking action and producing results. Now, what's really cool about this program is there's over 19,000 reviews, and the average review rating is 4.9 out of 5 stars based off of Trustpilot. Now, there's two ways you can get access to this program. You can either go to joshelder.com, click on the blue button right here, or you can click on my TikTok profile right on the right-hand side right here, and you can click that link at the top of my bio right here, and you'll get instant access.
If you'd like more like this, go ahead and subscribe and comment, and don't forget to check for the link to see more. If you're watching on TikTok, check the bio. Instagram or Facebook, comment free. YouTube, check the description and get started.